Yes, students. Now I am going to explain you about balancing the chemical equation. Balancing the chemical equation, especially the redox reaction. What do you mean by redox reaction? Redox reaction means both oxidation as well as reduction reaction takes place simultaneously. In that redox reaction, how to balance the equation? I am going to explain. How to balance the equation? We can balance the equation by two ways. One is by oxidation number method. One is by oxidation number method and second one by ion electron method. Second one by ion electron method. It is otherwise called as half reaction method. Okay, two steps we have to follow. We can do two methods. One is oxidation number method, another one ion electron method. It's otherwise called as half reaction method. Now I am going to explain the second method first, ion electron method. Step 1. In step 1, we have to divide that equation into given equation into half reaction. We have to divide that equation into two half reaction. Okay. Step 2. Balance the electron and atoms present in the two reaction. Two half reaction, we have to balance the electron and the atoms. And while after balancing the electrons and atom, what we have to do? We have to balance the oxygen present. For oxygen present, for every extra oxygen, add a water molecule to the opposite side. For every extra oxygen, add a water molecule to the opposite side. Okay. And then for every extra hydrogen, add H plus ion. Add what we have to add? Add H plus ion to the opposite side. For every extra hydrogen, add H plus ion to the opposite side. Okay. After balancing the oxygen and hydrogen, the step 3 we have to follow. Add the two half reaction. Before adding the reaction, balance the electron in the reaction. We have to balance the electron in the reaction. These are the 3 steps we have to follow. Okay. Now I am going to explain how to balance this equation by ion electron method. How to balance that equation by ion electron method. In step first, the given equation KMnO4 plus FeSO4 plus H2SO4, that gives MnSO4 plus Fe2SO4 plus K2SO4 plus H2O is given. Okay, the given equation, you see this. For this, I have to balance that equation. Okay. Before balancing this equation, what step we have to follow? Here, the given equation is not in ionic form. So, we have to convert this equation into ionic form. Okay. Here, what is the oxidation? Here, the KMnO4 is split into KMnO4. We can write like this. KMnO4. See this. KMnO4, make it split into K plus MnO4 minus. Okay. Therefore, you can write this equation as MnO4 minus. Okay. MnO4 minus plus FeSO4. You just write like this. Here, this H plus you can write as H plus. This since in acidic medium, therefore you can write H2SO4 as H plus. Next, MnSO4 plus Fe2SO4 thrice plus K2SO4 plus H2O. Here the oxidation number for potassium is plus 1. Therefore, you can split it as K plus MnO4 minus. Okay, MnO4 minus we taken. This is the method. Okay. Here we find the oxidation number for MnO4 minus. Here the oxidation number for Mn we don't know. Therefore, Mn you write X. For Mn you have to write X. And then for oxygen, the oxidation number is minus 2. Therefore, 4 minus 2, therefore 8. That is equal to the net charge minus 1. Therefore, X equal to plus 7. Therefore, the oxidation number for manganese Therefore, the oxidation number for manganese is plus 7. Similarly, we have to find it for FeSO4 and MnSO4 and all these things. Okay. Next, FeSO4. What we have to do for FeSO4? We don't know. For Fe, the oxidation number for Fe, we don't know. Therefore, here you have to mark it as X. Sulfate, the oxidation number is minus 2. Therefore, X equal to plus 2. Therefore, the oxidation number for Fe is plus 2. Similarly, we have to find it for Mn. Here Mn, X, sulfate minus 2. Therefore, X equal to, the oxidation number for sulfate is minus 2. X equal to plus 2. Okay. Here, for iron, we have to find 2 ions are there given. Therefore, 2x. For sulfate, minus 2. Here, 3 sulfate. Therefore, 3 into minus, what we have to do? Minus, here, minus 2 into 3. 3 sulfate are there. That is equal to net charge. There is no net charge. It's a neutral molecule. Therefore, you have to put 0. Okay. Therefore, 2x minus 6, that is equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 6 by 2. That is plus 3. Therefore, the oxidation number for iron is plus 3. And for potassium, here this is plus 1, this is minus 2. There is no need. Then water. Okay. Here we can find this Mn. Mn is having the plus 7 charge, and here for Mn plus 2 charge. Therefore, you have to see this Mn. It's having the various oxidation state. We have to find the various oxidation state. Here the iron is having plus 2 and iron is having plus 3. Another one is having plus 3. Okay. Here Mn plus 7, here my plus 2. How many electron, here the oxidation number is reduced or increased. Here it's having plus 2, and here it's having plus 7. Here the oxidation number is decreases. Here the oxidation number decreases from plus 7 to plus 2. Therefore, if the oxidation number decreases means it undergo reduction. How many number of electrons? There is a difference. 5 electrons. Is differed by 5 electrons. Okay. Next, you have to write these things in the reaction itself. Next, here Fe2 plus. Fe2 plus is converted to Fe3 plus. Here the oxidation number plus 2 to plus 3. Therefore, the oxidation number increases. If oxidation number increases means that reaction is said to be oxidation. Okay, oxidation. How many electron difference? 1 electron. Okay. What do you mean by oxidation according to electronic theory? According to electronic theory, oxidation means loss of electron. Reduction means gain of electron. How many electron it gain? Here in reduction, 5 electron it gain. How many electron it losses? Here in the oxidation, 1 electron. Okay. Then you split this equation into 2 equal halves. One half reaction is Fe2 plus is converted to Fe3 plus. Okay. Fe2 plus, that is converted to Fe3 plus. Here this is the oxidation reaction. Therefore, it's oxidation half cell reaction. Oxidation half cell reaction. In oxidation half cell reaction, this is Fe2 plus is converted to Fe3 plus. How many electron it losses? Oxidation means loss of electron. How many electron it losses? 1 electron. Okay, you put plus E minus 1 electron. Here the charge, net charge you see 1 ion. Here plus 2, 1 electron. Therefore 2 plus, here 2 plus. Therefore this equation is balanced. You take this equation as 1. Okay. In second equation, what you have to take? Reduction half cell reaction. Reduction half cell reaction. In reduction half cell reaction, we have to find which one? MnO4 minus, this is having plus 7, that is converted to MnSO4. This is converted to MnSO4. It's having plus 2. Okay. This is the reduction half cell reaction. Reduction half cell reaction, how many electrons it losses? Sorry, reduction means gain of electron. How many electron gains? 5 electrons. This gain of electrons you have to write here. 5 electrons it gain. Okay. After writing this one, we have to find which one. In step 1, what we have to do? In step 1, first divide this equation into, the rule is divide that equation into 2 half reaction. One half reaction we have is oxidation half reaction, another reaction is reduction half reaction. We divide this equation into two half cell. Okay. Next, what we have to do? Balance the electron and atoms. In this, here the one atom is present, ion, one atom. Next, here one electron. Therefore, this is balanced even. Next one, here how many manganese are present? 1. Sulfur, sorry, you write in ionic form only. Here you just write Mn2 plus, SO4 2 minus, there is no need. You write only Mn2 plus. Okay. Then here 1 Mn, here also 1 Mn. Next, what we have to do? For every extra oxygen, add a water molecule to the opposite side. For every extra oxygen, how many extra oxygens are present? 4 oxygens are present here. Here there is no oxygen. Therefore, for every extra oxygen, what we have to add? 4 water molecule in the opposite side. Therefore, you write plus MnO4 minus, that gives Mn2 plus 4 water we have to add. Next, in the next step, what we have to do? For every extra hydrogen, add H plus to the opposite side. Okay. Then here how many extra hydrogen? Here 8 hydrogen, here there is no hydrogen. Therefore 8 hydrogen we have to add it in the opposite side. Therefore this equation becomes 5 electron plus MnO4 minus, that gives Mn2 plus, sorry, here we have to add 8H plus. 8H plus, why we have to add 8H plus? 4 into 2, 8 hydrogens are present in this side. There is no 8 hydrogens, therefore you have to add 8H plus. 8H plus 5 electron plus MnSO4, that gives Mn2 plus 4H2O. Now you see this is having plus 7. 8H plus 4 oxygen. Next Mn. The charge, net charge here plus 7, here 5 electron, therefore plus 2. Therefore it is having plus 2. All the atoms and electrons, oxygen and hydrogens are balanced. This, you take this equation as 2. We have to add, next step, add the 2 half reaction. Add the 2 half reaction. This is the step 3. Before adding, we have to balance the electron. We have to add the 2 half reaction. Before adding, balance the electron in this reaction. This is the step 3. Okay. Next, here the first equation, how many electrons? 1 electron. The second equation, how many electrons they are having difference? Here 5 electron, here 1 electron. We have to balance that electron. Therefore, we have to multiply that equation 1 into 5. If I multiply that equation 1 into 5, then you get 5 electrons. Therefore, the equation number of electrons get balanced. After that, we have to add that 2 equation. Okay. Multiply the equation 1 into 5. For what do you get? Here the first equation, 5 Fe2 plus 5 Fe2 plus, that gives 5 Fe3 plus how many electrons? 5 electrons. We take this equation as 3. Now you see this. Add 2 and 3. 2 and 3 you have to add. We have to add 2 and 3. Here Fe2 plus. Add 2 and 3. You write here the second, here the second equation is, what is the second equation? 8H plus 5 electron, 8H plus 5 electron plus MnO4 minus, that gives Mn2 plus 4H2. This is the equation 2. Okay. Here the equation 1 is, sorry, equation 3. Equation 3 is Fe2 plus, that gives 5 Fe3 plus 5 electron. This is equation 3. You add these two equation. Okay. Just add the right hand side separately and left hand side separately. Therefore, 8H plus 5 electron plus, what is given? MnO4 minus plus Fe2 plus. That gives, you add these things left hand side. Therefore, Mn2 plus 4H2O plus 5 Fe3 plus 5 electron. According to cancellation law, 5 electron get cancelled. Therefore, you get 8H plus Mn O4 minus plus Fe2 plus, that gives Mn2 plus 4H2O plus 5Fe3 plus. Okay. Here 5Fe. Sorry. We multiply that equation into 5. Therefore, 5Fe. Then here 5Fe, Mn1 1, 8 hydrogen, here also 8 hydrogen, 4 oxygen, all these are balanced. Okay, all these, therefore the equation is balanced one. Thank you.